Do you know that 90% of small YouTubers are ignoring this YouTube setting and it is costing them subscribers every single day? If you have been uploading videos but people visit your channel and just leave, this is the reason. This one setting can instantly turn your homepage into a subscriber magnet, and I will show you exactly how to activate it step by step. So don't skip a second, because this tiny YouTube change can bring massive growth on your channel. So if this is a kind of video you want to see today on my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, then let me show you what this setting is all about. So why does this YouTube settings matter? Let me break it down for you. When someone clicks on your channel name, maybe from a comment or a short or even your video, they land on your homepage, right? Now, imagine this. They are curious, but instead of seeing something interesting on your channel, they see an empty page. No welcoming video, no playlist, nothing to tell them to subscribe to your channel. They just leave. Now you have lost an audience. That is a lost opportunity for you. But with one simple setting, you can turn your YouTube homepage into a powerful sales page for your channel. This particular homepage setting have helped this my video, this and this, to this level. It has gotten me a lot of views. Now, this particular setting will help you show people exactly what your channel is all about. Make a strong first impression and increase your chances of getting them to hit that subscribe button. So if you want to know about this setting, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to walk you through on a screen record so that I will show you how to activate this homepage setting so that anybody that comes to your channel will transcribe into subscriber. Let me show you how. Okay guys, now this is the interface of my YouTube studio. Now for you to particularly activate this particular setting, this homepage setting that can turn your viewers, that can turn new viewers into subscribing to your channel, all you have to do is just come over to your YouTube dashboard. The YouTube Chrome dashboard, I think I'm right. All right, then once you come over to this YouTube dashboard, then you click on this particular setting, that looks like a pencil icon. Once you tap on it, then you wait for it to open. Then once it's open, it will bring you to your channel customization. Once your channel customization has opened, okay, once it has opened, tap on this home tab you are seeing right here, this next tab. Tap on this home tab. Now look at this. Now what you are going to be seeing here is home tab layout. Yes, now if you have not activated this particular setting on your channel, go and start doing it right now, because this is what people are using to transcribe new viewers into subscribing to their own channel. Now, why are we turning this setting? We are turning this setting so that any person that comes to our channel for the first time, the very first video they are going to be seeing on your channel is the channel trailer. That is why you need to put the video, your channel trailer, for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Now this is how you are going to put this setting. Now once you look at this particular tab, now you can see that my tab is on. This particular power is on, but if your own is off, please, you cannot access this particular setting if your own is off. So make sure you turn it on. So once you turn it on, come to this add session. You will see this add session. Click on this add session. Now once you click on this add session, you will see channel trailers, spotlight for returning viewers. So now when you look at this my own, you see that my own has been set up because I have included my channel trailer and the featured video for returning subscriber. Now let me just undo my own. Let me just remove my own. So for the case of this tutorial, I remove this one, then I remove this one. Then for you to activate it, click on this add session, then you click on the channel trailer. Once you tap on your channel trailer, it will bring you to your videos you have on your channel. So this is where you now select your video. Now see the secret tips in this thing. Once you are selecting, make sure that every video you are uploading, and if those videos are performing well, do well to be updating your channel trailer. Now let's say for instance I want to add this video as my channel trailer, so that anybody that comes to my channel will subscribe. Then I'll also add for people that's for returning subscribers, which is spotlight for returning subscribers. That is the second settings. You tap on this second settings for returning subscriber, then it will take you to your videos, where you add videos that people who subscribe to your channel, whenever they return back to your channel, they will still see the same video. Then you tap on this one. Maybe I'll click on this. Then once you are done putting everything, you tap on this publish. Then once you click on publish, you click on publish. Once you click on this publish, then YouTube will tell you, they will tell you that you can now go to your channel and do this setting. Guys, go and do this setting, because this is what big YouTubers are using, and this is a secret hack you are going to use to turn your new audience into subscriber. They will end up subscribing to your channel. Okay guys, that is all for this particular setting. Go around and turn on this setting and thank me later. So why does this YouTube homepage setting works? This setting works because most people decide in under 8 seconds if your channel is worth subscribing to. So instead of leaving your homepage blank, or leaving your homepage with a video that is not interesting, you guide them. You are basically saying, here is what I do, here is proof it works, and here is more if you are interested. I did this on my own channel, like I am currently doing it. Anytime I upload a new video, I will go and refresh the homepage to my recent videos that is performing well. Yes, and I have kept doing this over a month, and I noticed that more people were subscribing from my own channel homepage. This is so amazing, right? So that is why you need to implement this setting, get it turned on, so that you'll be getting subscribers, you'll be getting views and watch hour. Now, let me tell you what you don't know. Small channels don't grow by luck anymore. They grow by intention. Setting up your homepage the right way is you taking control of your channel growth. It is a small step, right? But it can lead you to huge results, because once you hook someone, they watch more. Yes, and when they watch more, YouTube will recommend you more. Simple. That is a simple setting and simple thing you have to do that can blow up your channel in no sooner time. So go and update your homepage now. Don't sleep on this. And if you want more real YouTube growth tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because one of my next video will show you another secret that even most big YouTubers are still ignoring today. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Turn that setting on.